Hi, and welcome to Cool Gadgets and Stuff. A lot of thought and planning go into building a new home, and choosing a construction system is one of the key decisions you'll have to make. Building technologies continuously improve, and in this video, we're going to explore some innovative building systems that might offer some advantages compared to conventional construction. As always, all the links are in the description below. Binny shells are steel-reinforced concrete dome structures that are lifted and shaped by air pressure. They were invented in the 1960s by architect Dante Binny and have been built in over 20 countries. More recently, the system is being relaunched by Dante's son, Niccolo Binny, with improvements to the original system to achieve greater architectural flexibility, simplification of the construction process, integration of the latest materials and technologies. They can be used in a range of projects from housing, schools, sports arenas, storages, and shopping centers, and offer quick construction time, lower costs, high strength, and unique appeal. Concrete dome structures distribute forces evenly along their entire envelope to form a highly efficient structural system. The non-flammable nature of concrete and the natural aerodynamics for the domes makes them highly resistant to fires and high winds. They're also safe from termites, molds, and rot, and are more energy efficient because there are no thermal bridges in the building envelope. Binny Shell's construction involves a special airform that is fastened to a pad or foundation and inflated to maintain constant pressure. Polyurethane foam is evenly sprayed over the structure, and once it is set, rebar reinforcement and specialized shotcrete are applied. Finally, a weatherproofing membrane is added with a stucco finish. Binny shells can incorporate all the wiring, venting, and plumbing that any home requires. Another concrete dome builder, Monolithic Dome from Texas, builds insulated steel-reinforced concrete domes of all sizes that can serve as houses, schools, gyms, churches, or anything you can think of. Their structures also offer all the advantages of dome construction like durability and energy efficiency. Here, the building process differs slightly from Binny shells. First, the airform is inflated, and the insulating foam, rebars, and shotcrete are applied to the inside. This allows the work to continue even in bad weather conditions. The airform is the roofing membrane, the foam is the insulation, and the steel and concrete is the structure. Monolithic domes offer graceful curved lines on the exterior and open, clear span interiors. There are no columns or interior supports, allowing complete design freedom. It can be small and cozy or spacious and luxurious, one-storied or multi-storied, at ground level or underground, and built in virtually any location or environment. Comfort Block by Genesis Concrete, a masonry company from Maine, is a self-insulated concrete wall system for residential and small-scale housing in the U.S., based on the European construction methods. It's a simple and proven way to build durable, healthy, and energy-efficient homes. Comfort Block is a low-maintenance material that does not burn, mold, or invite pests. The walls are significantly stronger than wood construction, so they can resist extreme weather events such as floods, hurricanes, and tornadoes much better. Blocks are available in two sizes: 8-inch thick for simple structures such as outdoor kitchens, sheds, and landscape walls, and 16-inch thick insulated blocks with 3 pockets of encased expanded polystyrene insulation, suitable for residential construction. Both systems have utility channels for easy installation of wire and electrical boxes, eliminating furring and drywall. The thickness of the concrete walls seals out sound, and there's never any flex in the house when it's windy outside. A special masonry adhesive glue replaces the mortar and makes laying blocks faster and easier. When laying the first course, standard mortar may be used to overcome any variations in foundation levels. Properly reinforced with steel rebars and concrete grouting, homes built with comfort blocks will last for generations and offer the benefit of thermal mass to keep your home at a consistent temperature. Once the wall has been constructed, an exterior stucco finish is applied to create an air barrier and to protect the blocks from the weather. You can also fasten different sidings onto the wall system, and the inside blocks are covered with plaster. Rammed earth is a building technique for creating walls with compacted subsoil. It's not a new technology. The method was often used in areas without trees or other materials used to build structures. Numerous examples of rammed earth construction exist all over the world, including parts of the Great Wall of China. Arikura from Ontario, Canada, builds modern, sustainable rammed earth buildings that are comprised of 2 layers of rammed earth, an insulation layer in between, and connected with additional steel rebars. The construction process starts with sourcing local subsoil, which is then brought and mixed on the building site with a small amount of Portland cement as a binding agent plus additional waterproofing agent. These 2 agents contribute to the longevity and durability of the rammed earth wall. Next, the reusable molds are prepared that will form the framework for the wall of the house. The dampened subsoil mix is then shoveled into the forms and compacted or rammed in sections or lifts with a hydraulic tamper. These lifts are what create the asymmetrical wave pattern that make rammed earth walls so aesthetically unique. Electrical conduit and plumbing runs can be rammed into the walls as well. The forms are removed the next day, revealing a completed rammed earth wall. The completed assembly combines all the functions of a wall, interior and exterior finish, insulation, weather resistance, structure, moisture management, thermal mass, and aesthetics, all in one process. Each rammed earth wall is unique in its appearance. Clients can choose different dyes or add distinguishing features, such as precious stones, shells, or fossils, to add a personal touch. Each of Arikura's homes is built with passive solar design in mind. This allows the walls to store the sun's heat in the colder months of the year, then distribute that heat throughout your home. In being all natural, there is no outgassing of volatile organic compounds, so it is considered a healthy building material. OzBlock, developed in Quebec, Canada, redefines traditional construction by offering a modular structural system that allows quick and simple walls while ensuring high standards in energy efficiency and durability. The block is a sandwich of 2 layers of expanded polystyrene foam with a core of several layers of oriented strand board. The interlocking design stacks up to provide a wall with a high insulation value and, most importantly, no thermal bridges, one of the major sources of heat loss in buildings. The process starts by inserting the OzBlock corners on the starting beam and leveling them for a straight fit. The block has a structural capacity on all its surface, and the blocks are fixed together with a unique system of polymer locks. Each block has 5 anchor points that are used to lock the top piece to the bottom one. Just rotate the locks with a special tool to secure the building modules together. Steel corner brackets are used to hold the walls together, and spray foam caulk is used to seal it all up. There are also furring strips to attach siding on the outside and drywall on the inside, and channels for electric wiring. OzBlock is lightweight and easily transportable by 2 people, so there is no need for any heavy machinery such as cranes or forklifts on the job site, saving on the costs. Eco Building Systems, a company from Arizona, has created the perfect block, an insulated composite concrete form made from recycled expanded polystyrene, mixed with Portland cement and proprietary admixtures, and then cured in a mold. Mixing cement with styrofoam makes the perfect block fireproof, while at the same time maintaining excellent insulating qualities. Perfect block is a type of stay-in-place insulated concrete form, stacked together much like traditional brick or block, and filled with concrete to create an incredibly strong, concrete and reinforced steel post and beam wall that makes a strong, safe, and quiet home. The blocks are light, yet sturdy and dense, and can be easily handled by anyone. Stacking is simple with minimal gluing and easy to construct walls plumb and level, while saving time and materials. For the wiring and plumbing, you just cut out the channels and use a spray foam adhesive to attach conduit or boxes in places you want. If a block is broken, it can be easily repaired with an adhesive used in the installation of the block. Perfect Block removes tons of styrofoam from the landfill and turns it into a fireproof block to build homes and commercial properties, improving on the practices of sustainability in the building industry. Thanks for watching, and let us know your opinion down in the comments. Stay tuned. Until next time.